Today, on the Model Bulletin, one AI company just scared the software industry, and the stock market actually flinched. This week, Anthropic rolled out a new set of Agent style tools built around Claude. And the key point is this: it's not just a chatbot answering questions anymore. It's software that can do the work inside your workflows. And that's why investors panicked. Here's what happened. The moment Anthropic showed tools that can help handle things like document work, compliance checking, and legal style workflows, markets started treating it like a direct threat to the companies that sell those workflows as expensive subscriptions. In other words, if an AI agent can read contracts, organize files, produce a clean summary, flag risks, and draft the next step, then a lot of knowledge work software starts looking replaceable. That's why shares in major legal and data companies slid hard after the announcements. Because the fear isn't AI is cool. The fear is AI becomes the interface and the apps behind the scenes become commodities. Now, let's be clear. This doesn't mean AI instantly replaces lawyers, analysts, or compliance teams. Even Anthropic has been careful to say these tools aren't legal advice and they should be used with human oversight. Because the weak spot is still the same: hallucinations, missing context, and the risk of being confidently wrong. But the direction is obvious. We're moving from AI helps you write emails to AI operates your tools, your documents, your workflow like a junior colleague. And that's the disruptive part. If you're an enterprise buyer, you stop asking, which app do I need? You start asking, which AI agent can run my process end to end? So here's the takeaway. This isn't just a Claude story. This is the shift to agentic AI. AI that can take objectives, interact with systems, and produce outcomes. And that's why a product demo can move billions in market value. What should you watch next? Number one, how fast enterprises adopt these agents for real work. Number two, how the big software incumbents respond by integrating agents or getting undercut by them. And number three, governance, identity, auditing, and accountability, because the more power an agent has, the more dangerous a bad instruction becomes. If you want more fast, clear breakdowns of AI turning into real business disruption, subscribe to the Model Bulletin, because the next software war won't be app versus app. It'll be agent versus ecosystem.